In this tutorial, we'll learn how to apply a range of selectable backgrounds to our MegaEdit products using a resource set named background categories. Now, these are specified on a canvas specification themselves. They're not separate sets of resources. So we begin by navigating to our MegaEdit canvas specifications. The easiest way to get to that is to type in canvas in the search box and then go to MegaEdit canvas. We can either create a brand new canvas or edit one of our existing ones. And then the category we're going to be focusing on is covered in the third tab here, so background categories. So before we go any further, a background category just allows us to apply a range of images which we can use to cover the entire background of our specified canvas. That means that you should pay careful attention to the size of the images that you upload here. For example, if we have an A4 canvas, if we upload an image which is in a completely different aspect ratio, it's going to stretch that image to cover the entire A4 canvas. So what you want ideally is an A4 canvas, A4 image, A5 canvas, A5 image, and so on and so on. To create our category, we go to Add New Record, put in a name and description, specify whether or not we want this to be an admin-only category, and click Insert. From there, we're going to click Configure. And it's a simple case of uploading the files we want to be able to utilize. We can multi-select files if we wish. So you can upload multiple at once. Their progress will be shown as they're uploading, and then any that upload successfully will be displayed as thumbnails at the bottom of this list. You do have the ability to re-download those images by clicking on the name link themselves, or if you go to the settings icon, you can rename each of those individual backgrounds. You also have the ability to delete them. If we scroll down a little bit, we also have the ability to define background colors to a background category. This works in much the same way as the images here, however, allows you to define a solid color backdrop. So this is easy to do. I just click on Add Background Color, specify the name I want to use for my color, and then my two options are to either directly input a hex value, or I can activate this color picker, where I can also enter an RGB value, a HSL value, or again, we can enter our hex value. And then those resources are now saved. So as they are saved to a particular canvas, every time a product is utilizing that canvas, those background resources will become available. Now I'm going to launch this MegaEdit product. So on the left-hand side, we have a new tab available, which is the background selection. Clicking on there, we can see that under our background category, which is the one I created, we now have 3 solid colors, which are the specific colors I specified, and then all of those different background images displayed as thumbnails. Applying those to any of our pages is really, really simple. Just navigate to a page and then drag and drop from the thumbnail on the left-hand side onto the page. And remember that it will stretch the image to fill the entire page. So this is why it's very important they are the correct size. If you want to override any of the backgrounds that you've specified, simply drag another option onto that same page. If you want to save that as your default format, just go to Menu and Save as Product Default. And that is now what will load up when the product is activated in the MegaEdit editor.